To access the work order module and maintenance connection, we simply select the Open folder in the upper left-hand corner of the screen. We then select Work Orders from the menu. We now can view our list of work orders in this condensed format or expand our format to get more detail about the work orders that are currently pending. We can clearly see that this work order is in the requested status. To effectively assign this work order to a labor resource or a third-party contractor, we can go to the Action button and quickly select someone, or we can simply click on the New Assignment icon. That's going to take us to our labor resources that are located within the system, and we can effectively evaluate their schedule to see if they have the bandwidth to tackle this specific job at hand. To assign the work order, we simply click on the date, the amount of time that we want to put aside for this work to get done, and then hit Save. If we wish to change the assignment date, the task is as simple as dragging and dropping that work order over to the new date that we wish to assign the task to. If we want to assign additional resources to this work order, such as a third-party contractor or another internal labor resource, we can assign as many people or as many business entities to this work order as we would like. Simply go down to the date that we wish to assign, click on it, select desired amount of estimated time, and hit Save. We now see that both of our labor resources and third-party contractor have effectively been assigned to this work order. After changing the status to Issued, they will both be notified that they've been assigned to this request. The work order module and maintenance connection is a feature-rich and user-friendly module. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about the work order module or maintenance connection in general, please reach out to our sales team.